And this plan better work.
Listen, you just need to worry about your part. Don't screw it up. What?
A gang with a mask?
I don't need style advice from Mr. Dusty Boots.
Oh, it is on!
Trigger landing.
Come on, Puss. Now!
Bring it on.
Our biological clocks are ticking, darling. You gotta start looking at the big picture.
Huh? Listen, I put a lot of work into my body. I look good, and I am not just gonna throw that away. What? We're gonna start small. Let's just pretend you have.
Excellent.
This is my moment.
I don't have time to be at home with no diapers and baby socks.
You don't have to, Jill. I'll be the stay-at-home dad.
We got 10 hungry piggies there in the back. You can practice on them. Just pull over, feed them.
That little ham hock.
You've got to hurry up.
Cute little bugger.
Why are you not using your claws?
Would you please just shut up? I'm on it.
Just use your claws.
Be quiet.
Your claws.
I don't have many claws, all right?
Was that ham hock?
Sleepy, sleepy, big fat piggy. You babysit. Soft paws.
We have a monkey.
Well. Hello, beings of legend. Let's go.
Oh, that's bad.
You are so busted.
Well, well, well. Look what we have here, Jill.
You messed with our baby.